Hey everyone, Sprulsey here and welcome to my channel. I am here today with a handy tool bag that I was recently gifted. So I was gifted this bag. I've not opened it yet to check what's inside, but there is a picture showing the tools that are meant to be in there. So for this video, I am going to open this and just see what actually is inside, which again should be those tools there on the bag, on the picture I mean. And if you do like what's in here, please do like and subscribe and check out my other videos as well. As for this tool bag, when I was gifted it, I can't help but feel like I'm supposed to use these to build something or fix something. But for the life of me, I can't think of what it could possibly be. It's a nice bag, a little bit heavy, but considering what's meant to be inside, that's no surprise. That's a nice clean looking bag, and on here is like a animatronic robotic person, which I think is actually like a key ring, so I can probably take that off and attach some keys to. Start off with, I'll just get the cardboard sleeve off, and again all these should be in there, and I am now going to check all these are in there. Otherwise, I'm going to have to return the gift, which probably itself would not go down well. There also appears to be a fair bit of bubble wrap in here as well. But let's get started. I have some pliers, so I can ply stuff. And I have a equalizer, a stabilizer. I have no idea what this is called. A spirit level, because you used a little bubble to ensure something is straight or not, flat, level. Yeah, which I'm not very good at doing with my hands. And here, nice big screwdriver. Quite a big one. If I can screw in those screws. Don't have any screwing to do at the moment, but when the time comes, I am ready. I've got a knife, I think. Stanley? I don't know what that's called. Oh, this one big and heavy. No, just a spanner. A number of times I could have done with one of these though. Jeez, when I've assembled that fan, could have done with something like this, or a screwdriver actually. That would have been useful. When I built that fan on another video, used a knife. If only I had this stuff back then. Do I have any screws to turn? I've got the spanner now. No, it's bolts. Screws are for the screwdriver, bolts for the spanner. And here, some little... What is this? Are these screwdrivers? Well, little tiny screwdrivers on the looks of it. Let me just check on the instructions. 6-in-1 screwdriver, Phillips and slot. No, 5-piece precision screwdriver set. There's 5 of these. Oh yeah. That one's across, the other one was a slot. Well, this one's across, and that's a slot. And they are different sizes, maybe? Yeah. And then, what's this? Another set of pliers, well, a different type. Probably should check this for the names. Okay. Slip joint pliers. This one was slip long nose pliers. Oh, cool. Getting messy. Next up, oh, this is heavy. A hammer. If I can get this out. Nice hammer. Ah, my thumb. That hurt. Not really. Only kidding. Ah. But I did catch myself on this side there. Oh, that's a sharp, pointy end. Ouch. And finally, a tape measure. Always needed one of these because I don't know how tall I am. So I've wanted one of these to measure my own height. So let's just do that right now. So, stand up straight. So according to this, I am about 6 foot 0.05, something like that, or 184 centimeters, approximately. How do I get this back in? Nice. And I now know my height, approximately. And then some bubble wrap, which all that was wrapped in. Ooh, and a shoulder strap for the bag, which I will play around with it sometime. Aha. And here it is on my shoulder. I look very fetching, as if I need to go off and build something. Don't have anything to build right now. I'm just going to put it all back in. Now I am ready to go off and do some building. I will see you all back here on a brand new video soon. In the meantime, have a fantastic rest of your day. And again, please do like, subscribe, check out my other videos. I'm going to put this cardboard into recycling. Might keep it for the time being actually, so I can remember what's in here. But as for now, I am going to go off and find something to build or repair. Somewhere, Sprulsey is needed to fix something or build something. I will see you all on a new video soon. In the meantime, see you later. Have a good day. Bye. Actually, let's just try that last bit again. Somewhere, Sprulsey is needed. Somewhere, Sprulsey needs to fix a boiler, repair a leaking radiator, or build a cell of drawers. Somewhere, Sprulsey is needed. Sprulsey ho!